Meaning of Hispanic.
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 Hispanic. The term Hispanic is used to refer to people or communities with cultural and historical ties to the Spanish-speaking world, particularly Latin America. The term was first used by the U.S. government in the 1970s to account for the growing population of people of Latin American descent. Today, Hispanic is often used interchangeably with Latino, though both terms have limitations as they are based on broad ethnic and linguistic categories that do not fully capture the diversity of these communities. The term Hispanic continues to be used in government and academic contexts to understand the experiences of this population.